Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Brock Purdy from the San Francisco 49ers. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Brock Purdy, let's begin with the head. So I'm going to start here and I'll begin by making a line that's just going to come down. And then I'm going to bring it up here, kind of like a big smiley face or a U shape. Now let's work on the hair. I'm going to bring a little line in and a little line in on this side. Then I'm just going to bring this line up just a bit. Next, I'm just going to come down and I'm going to make some little points that come all the way to here. Then I'm just going to bring this line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line up to here. I'm going to make a couple little points. I'm going to bring this over, and then as I do, I'll add a few little points and then bring it down to here. Next, on each side, I'm going to draw a line that curves in on each side for the ears. Next, for the eyes, I'm going to draw a circle. I'm going to leave some space, and then I'll make another circle right here. Inside the eyes, I'm going to draw a smaller circle, and then I'm going to color most of it in, leaving just a little bit white. Next, right up here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to curve up on each side for the eyebrows, and then I'll make another line that just comes up and down. Now for the nose, I'm just going to make a little backward C shape and a little line that comes down. Then for the mouth, I'm just going to make a line across. And then a little line that's just going to come down and then up here. I'll make a little line right here for the chin. Now let's work on the neck. I'm going to start right here and I'm just going to make a line that's going to come down and then up. And then right here we'll make another line that's going to come down and up, kind of like a V shape. Now, starting right here, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to curve out for the shoulder. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to curve up for the shoulder. Starting here, I'm going to bring this line down to here. And over here, let's just curve it in towards the body. Right here, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side. And then we'll bring a line across and then up here to connect it. And then we can go ahead and draw another line right across here. Now let's work on the arms. So I'm going to start here and I'll begin by drawing a line right here. And then right here I'm going to make a line that's going to come up. Next I'm going to come over. Then I'm going to go down and then over here. Right here, I'm going to make a little line across for a wristband. And then I'm going to make a little line right here, so it looks like he's got part of a sleeve on. Now for the thumb, let's draw a line that's going to curve around, and it's going to come into here. And then a little line down. Now for the football, let's draw a line that curves up. Then we'll bring this right down to here. And then a little line here. Next, I'll draw two little lines that curve down. and a little line here for the other part of the hand. Now, starting here, let's draw 2 lines that are going to come down. Then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to curve in, a line down, and then we'll make a line that's going to come down and up. Next, we'll make another line that comes down and up, and then one more. It's going to go down and up here, and then we'll connect it. We'll draw 2 lines across for a wristband, and another line across here for part of the sleeve. Now let's work on the legs. So starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to come out at an angle and then straight down. Same thing here, out at an angle and then straight down. Next, we'll make a little line that's going to curve across on each side. Then I'm going to come up and in, and same thing here, up and then in. And we'll curve this line across. I'll make a line that goes down and up at the bottom of each part of the pants. Next, I'll make a line that's going to curve down, over and up, and then same thing here. We'll go down, we'll bring this over and up. I'll draw a line right across the bottom, and then I'll make a few little bumps underneath each one for the cleats. Now let's put some details onto the jersey. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to make 3 little lines. I'll make 1, 2, and 3 lines here. And I'll do the same thing here. We'll just follow the curve. So we'll go 1, 2, and then 3 lines right here. Next, let's go ahead and draw his number 13. So we'll begin by just making a straight line across and a little angle. Next, we'll go straight down and in. Then we'll come down, over, and up for the 13. Next, for the 3, we're just going to make a line that's going to come down, leave some space and down, leave some space and down. Next, we're going to come in, down, and out. In, down, and out to make that part of the 3. Then we're going to come over, down, and in. Then we'll go out, down, and over for that 13. And there you go. There is your drawing of Brock Purdy. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.